Hello, welcome to the first video of Stocks Buzz. So this video is regarding the post-market analysis and plottings for the next day for Indian stock market. So let's get started. So this is the Nifty 50 chart in 5-minute time frame, as you can see here. So let me just switch to the 3 hours time frame for first. Okay, let me just do this properly. Okay, so we will start off by plotting in higher time frame levels. So this is the first level I am seeing respected quite few times. This is another level which is respected quite few times. Okay, so this is also another level which is respected quite few times. So as we plotted our plottings on 3 hour time frame, we will switch to 1 hour time frame on this one. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame chart. We will see some more respecting levels. So as we are saying here, this is another level which is respected quite throughout the days. Okay, so let me just switch again to 15-minute chart frame. This is a level which is respected, and no, this one is not. Okay, this can't be trusted. Okay, so this is one of another one. This is one of more level which can be respected later on the day. Okay, so let me see just if we can get another level. Okay, so this no this I would consider this as a level. Okay, let me just plot it. Okay, so let me just switch to 5 minute again. So now we are on a 5 minute chart time frame. As you can see here, today market give a gap up move. At opening it went down, it respected it, and it gave a fake out here, went up, again respected here, went up, again respected here, and it was up throughout the day. So I would say at this point of market, okay, from 110 to 1455, market is consolidated in this range. Let me just draw a trend line here. Here it is. Okay, so it after the consolidation, right at 15:03 a.m., the most of the BTSC traders kicks into the market. So after this breakout, if you want to take a trade, if you wanted to take a BTST trade, you are good to go on this or this candle. Or if you are a safe trader, you would have waited for this level breakout, or else you would have waited for this retest. Okay, retest just happened. I would say the Nifty will open around here or somewhere around up. Okay, so let me just draw some levels. Okay, this is another level. Okay, suppose if Nifty opens here or something where here or here, just wait for a bullish breakout. Like if it opens here and gives breakout here, then just go in, dive in into the trade and take target from here. And if it opens here, comes here, in it rejects here, so just dive in and wait and take this target. Okay, and do your proper risk management. Okay, I personally teach advanced core price action on my course. You can check my course on Instagram. I will drop the link below. You can just call me directly to enroll for it. Okay, so this was it for Nifty. Okay, as you can see here, this is all plottings for Nifty for 7/5/2021. Let us switch to the Bank Nifty. Okay, so the chart is totally clear now. Let me just switch to higher time frame. We'll switch to 3 hours. Okay, so here you can see Okay, I had some plottings. Let me just clear this out. Okay, done. Okay, so this is the level which can be trusted. No, it can't be, because you can see this. Okay, so just wait a minute. Okay, so this is one of a very crucial level on Bank Nifty, and I would say I can draw here. Let me see if it's respecting backward. No, it is not. I think it should be like here or somewhere around. No, no. Okay, we can consider this as our level, but it's not. It seems not that accurate, so I will just remove it. Okay, so we will just look for more levels ahead. This can't be trusted. Okay, this is one of a level which can be trusted. Yes, this is a crucial level. Okay, so we drawn two major levels on 3 hour time frame, and I'll switch to 1 hour time frame for now. Okay, so I got another level on 1 hour time frame. This is also a major level. Okay. Okay, we can consider this as a zone where not to trade. As you can see, it it's not acting like here. Okay, so I will just ignore that for now. Okay, so switching to 15-minute charts. Okay, this is 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty. Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, I saw something here. You can see a pennant kind of pattern. This is what I'm going to draw here. And okay, let me just prefer to trend lines only here. Here this, and I would say I can get it from here. No, it's not. It not seems that accurate. I would consider this rather than this. Okay, so this is it. We can consider this as a pennant, and I will draw some more levels so you can just determine your targets and stop loss for this. Okay, this one of a level which can be respected throughout the day. On above side I can't see any good level as of now. Here is the one level. It is a very crucial level. If it gives breakout, then it will give a very good upward move. Okay, we will switch to 5 minutes now. Okay, so the major time frame we are trading in 5 minutes only. Don't trade on this patterns or any levels on 15-minute chart for intraday only. If you are a swing trader, you can prefer a hourly chart or 3 hour chart or just 15-minute chart if you are impulsive trader or short term trader. Okay. Okay, so in 5 minutes I would say this is one of a level which is respected very quite few times. This is sort of another level, I would say. Let me just go back and verify this. No, this can't be trusted. Okay, I got another level here. This is it. So this is the all Bank Nifty plotting for 7th of 5 and 2021. Okay, we will switch to some stocks and patterns now. Let me just go to Tata. It is Tata Motors. Okay, I will clear my plottings for now. Okay, this is it. It gave a good breakout today. If anyone traded on this breakout, he would have made a lot of money, as you can see here. Let me just check some volumes. Okay, there is a huge spike in volume before that candle. Almost on that candle, it was above the average. Okay, I wasn't on the chart. I would have made a lot of money if I traded on this. Okay, anyways, let's just focus on our levels and patterns. Okay, so this can be respected. Okay, okay. There is no good trade opportunity in Tata Motors. Let me switch to HDFC Bank. Let me clear my plottings. Okay, this it's consolidating in a zone right now, as you can see. Okay, it can be a good trade if you get a breakout of this level. Okay, on upper side I would suggest no, no, no. Okay, no, it can't be trusted. We should take it further ahead. Okay, so this is the level I am considering for now. We will see in market how this is respected. Let me just draw some levels so you can get your targets and stop loss for that. This is one of a level which is respected quite few times. This can be also taken as a major level. Okay, so in above side I would say this is the level we are looking for accurately. Okay, so this is plotting for HDFC Bank. Here you can see if it gives breakout above side, you can just go for this target. If it gives breakout below or opens below, and you just have to see retest or breakouts, don't go for reversal. And if you don't know how to trade on this, you can just join my membership and to learn the same. Our members are booking a hell lot of profit these days. Okay, so this is it for HDFC Bank. I will just take a screenshot or do the same plotting if you want to trade on this. Okay, I will switch to this one. Okay, State Bank of India, pretty much same. Okay, this is Sun Pharma. This level is respected quite few times. I would say this is a major level. Okay, and another level we could consider. No upper side move till now. Okay, I won't say I didn't saw any levels which can be trusted in the market. So I would just say don't trade on it unless it gives breakout or retest on this level. Just check volume one time only. Okay. Okay. So this is JSW Steel, and I would say this is a very good opportunity if you want to make money. Okay, so I will just draw this. Okay, wait a second, I picked a wrong. Okay, this is right. Let me just roughly draw first, then I will make it accurate. Okay. Okay, so this is the pole and flag, inverted pole and flag, and we have to wait for breakout on downside only. Okay, don't go for upper side trade, just wait for downside trade. Okay, I will tell you the targets for downside. This can be your second target only. Let me draw second target first, and this level is suspected quite few times. Okay, you can take this as a first target. Okay, whenever the stock comes in your first target, just trail your SL to the this point or somewhere around here where the micro rejection you are seeing, and just wait for the second target and and then close all the positions. So we are done with the 5 stocks for today. I think this is it for the day 1. So you can just enroll for our membership if you want to join us. Okay, wait a second. this oh my god. Okay, so this I'm sorry. Okay, so this level which I drawn now, this can also be considered as a target one. If you are looking for a small target after the sell side, if stocks break if a stock gives breakout here, then get for this target 721, wait for the second target 715, and then go for this 711 target. Just keep trailing SL. We do teach trailing strategy, stop loss trailing strategy. You can enroll for our membership for that. Okay, so this is all. Okay, we'll draw another upper level only. This is all for today. I just analyzed 5 stocks for you guys today only, and I will be posting 10 stocks. Okay, I will be posting 10 stock. Wait a minute. This okay. After this breakout, the long fall will happen. If you are a swing trader, keep eye on GSW still. Okay. Okay. So what I was saying, you can join for our membership if you want to learn how to trade on this thing. I teach personally. I take 1-to-1 sessions only. I teach advanced core price action where the accuracy of the trades are highly increased, and risk management, everything will be covered. Let me just show you my Instagram handle. Here it is. So here, this is my Instagram handle. Let me just open my profile. Okay, this is my Instagram handle. As you can see here, I just booked 98,000 today. Okay, so this is it for the day. I will come up with more chartings like this and analysis like this, and do let me know if you want to join, because I have very limited slots because of 1-to-1 session only. There are no further members are added in the sessions. Okay, so do let me know. You can just call me directly. Let me show you my number. Okay, number is not posted on this. This is my number. Here you can see 820-816-5213. This is my number. You can just call me directly to pre-register your slots. As of now, all the slots are full for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I have some very few slots left. Okay, so this is it for this video. Please do consider subscribing if you found this useful, and if you make money out of this, don't forget to join us, because there is a hell lot of things we are going to teach you, and I can make videos on Hindi also. So let me know if you want videos in Hindi or any other language. Okay, this is it.